Fix in 5. Let's decode P0612. Fuel Injector Control Module, FICM, Relay Control Circuit, Powertrain Circuit causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, illuminated, difficulty starting the engine, rough idle or stalling, loss of power or reduced acceleration, poor fuel economy. Now the most likely causes. Faulty FICM relay. Damaged wiring harness to FICM. Corroded or loose connectors at FICM. Defective fuel injector control module, FICM. Failed PCM, ECM, powertrain control module. Here's how a pro pins it down. Replace the faulty FICM relay with an OEM quality part. Repair or replace damaged wiring, connectors between harns. Install a new fuse of the correct amperage if the original. Replace the fuel injector control module if tests show int. Repair or reflash the ECM, only after ruling out all other. How to fix it. Replace FICM relay, most common fix. Clean and reseat FICM connector, remove corrosion. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness to FICM. Replace fuel injector control module, FICM, if relay and wiring are good. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €25 minus 55 doing it yourself, or Euro 65 to 95 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0612 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0612 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0612. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.